Good morning to all of you. How are you all? I welcome you all to our English speaking class. I'm sure you are practicing daily. As I have told you, if you don't have anyone to practice at home, go and stand in front of the mirror and ask the questions. And then answer the questions. See, you yourself will be asking the questions and you yourself will be answering the questions. Continue it whenever you are having time. Whenever you find leisure time, you do this. 100% there will be improvement in your speaking English. Now today let me discuss about the listening skill. You are going to learn any language. We should listen first. If you look at the small baby, how it starts speaking any language. You are knowing the baby learns to speak its mother tongue first. Why? Because inside the house, everyone speaks that language. So the child is, if from a Marathi family, the child starts speaking English. If it is from Karnataka, if everyone speaks in Kannada in the house, the child speaks Kannada. If it is from Kerala and all are speaking Malayalam at home, the child starts speaking Malayalam. So why is it? Because what it listens, that it learns to speak. So that is the importance of listening skill. And that is why, my dear children or students or subscribers, whoever, or better, my friends, that is why every Wednesday I am providing you a video to listen to English. Throughout the week, go on listening to that video so that your English speaking skill will be improved. Now you may ask me, apart from that, what all we can do? If you are having anyone in your place, in your surroundings, who doesn't know your language, then how you will speak to him? You will speak in English. So if you are having people around you who are not knowing your language and you are not knowing their language, then what you do? You speak to them in English. And more important is, today what I am speaking is about the listening skill. As I told you, a child, a small baby, when it starts speaking, it speaks with the language which it listens. Here you can see his listening skill is developed. That is why it speaks in the same language which it listens at home. The same we too should follow. First thing you can follow is you can listen to English news or any English lectures. And at the same time, if you are having people around you who speak English, you can listen to them. In this way, you can increase your listening skill. That is why I told you I am providing you one video every week on Wednesday at 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. So throughout the week, you can listen to that video and improve your listening skill. Now, apart from listening skill, you can develop other skills as well. That is reading. You can read whatever is available to you. You can read the books, you can read the newspapers, anything, whatever of your liking. And more important is, when you start reading any new language, choose the topics of your interest. If you are interested in films, read about that. If you are interested in sports, read about that. So, according to your interest, you can choose the topics and read those things in English. If you are not able to follow it, the same you can read in your local language as well. Because especially news and all, the same news we will be having in all the languages. That is why first read it in English, or even listening, the same thing you have to do. First listen in English, and the same you do in your local language later. Either read the same in your local language or listen to the same in your local language. And many times, when you speak or when you listen to someone, even if you don't know any single word, you can understand with the help of the situation. With the situation, with the circumstances, you can understand it. So it becomes much easier. And if possible, or whenever you go to other states, start your talk in English, so that naturally you won't be bothered whether the people will laugh at you, because many of us, though we feel like speaking, we think what others will think. If I go wrong, what may happen? We elders think this, whereas children, they don't feel such things. That is why they learn fast. But we elders, we feel, if I go wrong, what others may tell, they may laugh at me. That is why what we should do is, don't bother what others tell about you. You focus only on your own aim, on your goal. You have decided to speak English. You have decided to learn to speak English. You have decided to master in English speaking. So whatever I have decided, I am going to do that. And have consistency in that. Don't do it for 1 or 2 days and then stop. No doing like that. So, do it daily at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, according to your availability of time. Start speaking in English. Definitely, this will improve your speaking skill. If you have any queries, let me know it in the comment box. Have a nice day.